Hello everyone and welcome to the How Do I Do It channel. I'm bringing you a tip that you're going to love, especially if you cook with fresh ingredients, in this case garlic. How to peel it quickly and without our hands smelling of pure garlic, since it is quite annoying. We are going to need the head of garlic, or rather its cloves, 2 cans of tuna or any can of vegetables that you have on hand, whether they are corn, mushrooms, etc. We take the head of garlic and give it a few small but strong blows to separate the cloves. We grab the ones we need and set aside. We take the garlic cloves that we had reserved to peel and take the cans of tuna. In one of them we put the garlic cloves and take the other can to put it on top of this one as it were its lid. CC by Antarctica Films, Argentina. We hold them well and shake them as hard as we can for approximately 15 to 30 seconds. If you want, you can put tape around the cans so they don't separate, but this is up to you. You can use both hands if that makes it easier for you. The point is to shake them as hard as possible. As time has passed, we can see that the peel has completely separated from the garlic, leaving it totally clean. It may be that some of them still have a little peel left, but it will come off easily with the shake, and as you can see, we didn't have to hit them with that knife or peel them with our hands since the peel stays on the cans. As you can see, it's a very useful and simple tip that you can do at home without spending absolutely anything. You only need 2 cans of tuna that you have already used, and that's it. You know, as always, see you in the next videos.